make it someday because he is his kid that he's gonna be rich. And it's gonna happen, but you have to be patient because you can't. You just, as they say, you can't build something right away like that. It takes time, but he is gonna be successful someday because he has that motivation.
Alright guys, we downtown. We just came from the Chicago Board of Trade. And it's a nice little view out here, y'all can see. And so I'm gonna have some little videos to show y'all real soon. So y'all stay tuned. Well, we here, Chicago Board of Trade. This is the old statue. That's the other old statue of this old building of the Chicago. So this is the original building of Chicago Board of Trade before they tore it down. And these little two statues right here, y'all probably can't see, is these two statues right here. Chicago architect